First, we're going to familiarise ourselves with how I can give you instructions. The first way for me is to say what you should do. The second way is for me to point with a laser What am I pointing the laser at?
You're pointing the laser at the main switch.
Well done. The third way for me is to place indicators on the cabinet. What indicator did you see?
I saw a red exclamation mark.
Well done. Let's start our training. Let's begin by collecting your PPE from the table. Your glasses and gloves.
I have collected my PPE.
Okay, let's keep going. Right left on the table are your two tools that we're going to need. Now we need to isolate the sources of power in the cabinet and to check that this circuit is operational. Pick up the voltmeter and attach it to the cabinet door. Attach the black cable to the earth bar. Attach the red cable to the front of the existing circuit breaker. The voltmeter should now indicate the current voltage flow on the circuit. What does it say the volts are?
The voltmeter currently reads 240 volts.
Okay, turn off the main switch by flipping it down to the off state. What does the voltmeter read now?
The voltmeter reads 0 volts.
The circuit is now safe for you to work on. You need to identify the correct part of the circuit to be worked on. Please move your hand to where the new circuit breaker should be placed. Well done. Pick up the new circuit breaker and place it on that mounting rail. Attach the black cable from the new breaker to the top of the existing circuit breaker. Attach the red cable from the new breaker to the cable entry hole at the bottom of the cabinet. Attach the voltmeter's red cable to the front of the new circuit breaker. Turn the main switch on. Turn the new circuit breaker on. And what does the voltmeter read?
The voltmeter currently reads 240 volts.
Well done. Unplug the voltmeter cables and detach it from the cabinet door to complete this session. Well done. You've now completed this training session.